The island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. There are rivers, streams, and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine, and docks where visitors to the island arrive. Welcome to the island of Sodor.
The engines on the island of Sodor like feeling responsible, reliable, and really useful. They work hard to complete their jobs on time. They don't like confusion and delay. But the troublesome trucks delight in mischief, and their mischief causes trouble, as poor Henry found out.
Henry has had an accident and been sent for repairs. There are no other engines available, so a diesel will help until Henry returns.
Which diesel?
Diesel 261, I believe.
Ugh, not him.
What's wrong with him?
You weren't here yet. He was a real snooty type of chap. Like all diesels, he thinks he knows it all, which got every steam engine's funnel. Despite his immense power, he soon found out nothing chuffs like a chuffs.
What?
I hope Henry is mended soon.
Henry moves more trucks than 3 diesels put together.
Trucks are no one's friends.
The next day, the diesel was working at the dock.
When the Fat Controller sees how good I am, he'll abolish steam engines once and for all.
This gave the troublesome trucks an idea. As the diesel shunted them together, they started to sing.
Is that all you can haul? Henry's loads are longer. Is that all you can haul? Henry must be stronger.
The diesel was cross. He was sure that he was stronger than Henry.
I'll push you all at the same time.
Push us all, that's the longest. Push us all, you'll be the strongest.
That's me, the world's strongest engine.
So the diesel shunted 5 trucks together. Then 10, then 15. Soon he had an enormous line of 20 trucks.
What's that diesel doing?
He thinks he's the world's strongest engine.
The diesel didn't know that the shunters had set the brakes on the trucks. The troublesome trucks knew, but encouraged the diesel to push anyway.
Push, push, push!
The diesel pushed, and he pushed, and he pushed, but the trucks didn't move. So he decided to pull the trucks instead.
Heave-ho, heave-ho, you can pull or we won't go!
This made the diesel very cross. He pulled, and he pulled, and he pulled.
Help!
The Fat Controller looked down crossly at the diesel.
I thought you could be a proper dockyard diesel, but I was wrong. Can you make up for lost time, Henry?
Oh, yes, sir.
He backed up to the trucks and the shunters released the brakes. Then Henry pulled away as easy as pie, and the engines cheered. The diesel was sent home in disgrace, but the engines had learned a lesson.
Even troublesome trucks can do you a favor sometimes.
Like getting rid of a stuck-up old diesel.